How to reduce your home's cooling costs. When is the last time you replaced your unit's air filter? If it's been a while, it can accumulate with dust and dirt, reducing its airflow. Examine the unit's air filters once a month and clean or replace filters when necessary. Keeping them clean can cut energy use by anywhere from 5% to 15%. If you are using a central air conditioning unit, make sure the air ducts are properly insulated, especially those that pass through the attic or any other areas that are not air conditioned. You may want to have a specialist check for holes or leaks in the ducts once a year. Make sure air isn't escaping through unnecessary openings such as fireplace dampers, doors, or windows. Take a good look at the seals around these areas to see if weather stripping or caulk needs to be applied. Ideally, you'll want to check for leaks before turning on the air conditioner at the beginning of summer weather. While natural light is nice, in the summer months, the sun's rays can raise the temperature in your home. Close the blinds and drapes or invest in blackout curtains to reduce exterior heat. Fans can also help cool your home at a fraction of the cost of an air conditioner. While it's unlikely that a fan can replace your AC unit completely, a fan can be a great supplement. On milder days, using just the fans can save as much as 60% on your energy bill. Position them near or in windows, and try to create cross breezes when possible. Turning your thermostat to 78 degrees Fahrenheit is the most efficient setting for your air conditioner during warmer months. Reducing your home's temperature lower, such as to 72 degrees, could increase your cooling costs by as much as 47%. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.